Best deals.
1. Pot. Engineered for rapid and uniform heating, this hard anodized body guarantees efficient cooking. Plus, it's compatible with metal ladles. Reinforced with stay-cool fiberglass, the lifting handles provide a secure grip and remain cool to touch even during cooking. Coupled with a riveted stainless steel bracket, durability is ensured. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Atta Kneader. 650 watts power ensures quick and efficient performance as an atta maker machine for home use. 3F stainless steel bowl provides enough capacity to prepare dough for family-sized meals, making it the perfect flour kneading machine. 15-minute timer for automatic operation, providing consistent results with every use as a reliable atta kneader. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Cooker. Fixed sturdy pivot does not put pressure on the plastic handles as it is a part of the metal handle itself. Thus handles last longer. Recommended for use on gas stoves. It has a superior pressure regulating system that controls pressure to a narrower, more efficient way. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Grill pan. Use it as a grill pan cast iron for perfect sear marks on paneer, fish and sandwiches. Made from solid cast iron cookware, this pan retains heat longer than non-stick. Enjoy evenly cooked food with authentic flavor on gas stove, BBQ or campfire. Comes pre-seasoned cast iron tawa, ready to use from day one. Builds natural non-stick properties over time without synthetic coating. Spacious rectangular grill tawa lets you cook multiple rotis, sandwiches or grill items together. Ideal for family meals and gatherings. Strong side handles give better grip when using as a barbecue pan or gas grill tawa. Stable, sturdy and built for heavy-duty use, ideal for cooking multiple servings at once. Made from cast iron material which enables fast heating and even heat distribution. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Container. Smartly designed stackable container that lets you store multiple snacks separately in one compact unit. Built-in sturdy handle makes stack it ideal for travel, office, school, picnics, and outings. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Tawa. Cooks delicious and versatile recipes like dosas, uttapam, parathas. Comes in 26 cm diameter size and is compatible on induction oven and gas stove for maximum cooking flexibility in your kitchen. The riveted handle is firmly fixed, providing sturdiness, durability and firm grip. Unique honeycomb hexa design has encapsulated layer of aluminium for even heat distribution. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Pan. Ideal for a wide range of dishes, including biryanis, curries, stews, and rice. Even heating ensures uniform cooking by distributing heat evenly, reducing the risk of hot spots and scorching. Equipped with sturdy, ergonomic handles that stay cool during cooking for safe and easy handling. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Steamer pot. Crafted from high-grade, rust-proof stainless steel, the steamer pot ensures long-lasting durability and hygienic cooking. It is ISI certified, promising the highest standards of safety, quality, and performance for your family. Engineered with a flat, even heat distribution base, this pot works seamlessly on both modern induction cooktops and traditional gas stoves. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Container. A perfect multi-purpose storage container. Can be used for oil, ghee, lightweight, durable, have easy open lids, easy to clean. Easy to store in cupboards and drawers. Ideally used for ghee, oil, curd, milk, sugar, liquid and spices. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Basket. Features a stylish rattan-inspired weave pattern. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Frying pan. Ideal for variety of dishes, from breakfast to dinner, making it an essential addition to any kitchen. Comes in 1.5 L capacity and 24 cm diameter size. It is compatible on induction oven and gas stove for maximum cooking flexibility in your kitchen. The riveted handle is firmly fixed, providing sturdiness, durability and firm grip. This cookware is non-toxic, durable, non-reactive and corrosion-proof. Ideal for everyday meals like omelets, stir-fries and sautés, compact yet versatile. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Electric kettle. Comes with a steamer, which can be used to steam vegetables, dumplings. The design of cooking and steaming at the same time can improve your cooking efficiency and meet your daily needs in a limited space. Equipped with dual power regulation function, low 200 W and high -700 W, you can choose the desired power freely. At low power, you can make pasta, ramen, pancakes etc. When you cook steak, soup or hot pot, you can switch to the high power. Ceramic kettle, electric food grade double-layered body with non-stick coated inner pot and plastic outer body. It will not release harmful substances even under high temperature conditions, protecting the health of your family. Professional cooks prefer this type of pot, which is simpler during washing and use, and easy to clean after use. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Mini waffle maker. The small size of our mini waffle maker means it won't take up precious counter space, making it perfect for busy households. Encourage your kids to customize their waffles with nutritious toppings like fruits, nuts, or yogurt, making breakfast both fun and healthy. Mini waffle maker heats up quickly, allowing you to create delicious waffles in no time. Spend less time in the kitchen and more time with your family. The non-stick cooking surface ensures that waffles come out easily, making it simple for kids to help out in the kitchen and develop their cooking skills. The non-stick surface also means less mess and easy cleanup. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth, and you're good to go. Designed with busy moms in mind, this compact and easy-to-use waffle maker allows you to whip up delicious, homemade waffles in just minutes. Say goodbye to sugary cereals and toaster pastries and hello to nutritious and tasty waffles that will make breakfast time a breeze. Ideal for making waffles, quick homemade snacks. With non-stick cooking plates, food releases easily without sticking, making waffles and serve. Simple plug-in design makes it convenient for everyday home use, even for beginners. Perfect for making breakfast, kids snacks, tea time bites, and quick meals at home. Non-stick plates can be wiped clean easily after use, reducing cleaning effort. Designed for safe and comfortable handling while opening and closing the waffle maker. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Basket. Ideal for washing vegetables, fruits, rice and pasta, this kitchen sink basket works as a colander, drain basket and sink strainer. Adjustable over the sink colander expands to fit most kitchen sinks. Made from high-quality ABS plastic. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Tope. Built with food-grade 304 stainless steel and a thick aluminum core for even heat distribution, durability, and hotspot prevention. Features an ergonomic handle, balanced weight, and stackable design for easy grip, control, and space-saving storage. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Kadai. Engineered with advanced stripe-like construction for even heat distribution, cook faster, healthier, and tastier every time. Crafted with 304 food-grade stainless steel interior, ensuring no chemical leaching, retaining the true flavor and nutrients of your food. Ideal for sautéing, deep frying, curry making, steaming, and daily Indian cooking. A versatile must-have for every kitchen. Works on induction, gas, ceramic and electric stoves. Designed to suit both modern and traditional kitchens. Comes with a tight-fitting stainless steel lid for moisture locking and ergonomic riveted handles for easy lifting. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Canisters. Constructed from food-grade, corrosion-resistant stainless steel, this canister is built to last. It's designed to withstand everyday use without rusting, tarnishing, or warping. Stainless steel doesn't interact with food. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Hanger. Strong vacuum suction technology. Advanced vacuum suction cups provide a strong grip on tiles, glass, and smooth surfaces without drilling or screws. 5-hook multipurpose organizer comes with 5 durable hooks for hanging towels, kitchen utensils, keys, loofahs, sponges, bags and other accessories. Crystal clear transparent design. Elegant transparent crystal design blends perfectly with modern bathroom and kitchen decor. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Lunch box. Lunch box with bag, your perfect everyday meal companion for work, college, travel or gym. Made with 100% food-safe stainless steel, this lunch box for office use keeps your meals safe, pure and fresh. It is 100% leak-proof, so juices, gravies and oily dishes stay inside without spills. This microwave-safe lunch box allows you to warm your meals safely, and its airtight seal keeps flavors locked in for hours. Designed for comfort and hygiene, the Aloe lunch box is FDA certified, BPA-free, odor-free and stain-free, ensuring every meal is healthy and chemical-free. It is also dishwasher-safe, making cleaning effortless. The stylish machine-washable bag is durable, long-lasting and fade-proof, making it perfect for daily office use. With its sleek, compact size, it fits easily in backpacks and handbags, ideal as a tiffin box for men, tiffin box for women, or a lightweight lunch box for women. This steel lunch box for office use is feather light, strong and easy to carry wherever you go. The high-quality zipper pouch adds convenience and smooth usability, making it a great tiffin bag for office for men or a premium office lunch box for men. Offers a dependable, safe and stylish choice for everyday meals. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Mandolin Slicer. The non-skid feet on this mandolin fold in for compact storage and it is dishwasher safe for your convenience. There are julienne, slice and waffle cutting options with 4 slicing thicknesses that vary from 1 mm, 3.5 mm, 5.5 mm and 7.5 mm. The folding handle and non-slip feet of the vegetable slicer make it comfortable to use and easy to fold and store. The blade does not require extra space for storage and is super easy to clean under running water. Strength, simplicity and safety inspired the design of our professional mandolin. From delicious gratins to delicate julienne carrots, our professional mandolin is a necessity in the kitchen. The blades are integrated into the machine, blade selection and thickness are adjusted with the turn of a dial on the side of the mandolin. This allows for safe transition between blades, as your fingers never have to touch sharp edge. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Electric Mop. Delivers superior cleaning performance with a high-speed spin feature, effectively removing dirt and grime from various floor surfaces with minimal effort. Equipped with a modern Type-C charging port, the electric mop fully recharges in just 3 to 4 hours, while the retractable extension handle allows for comfortable cleaning without bending, making it easy to reach under furniture and in tight spaces. Equipped with a powerful 2000 mAh battery, this electric mop offers up to 90 minutes of continuous cleaning, ensuring you can tackle large areas without interruptions. Choose between 3 speed settings to adjust the cleaning power according to the surface and level of dirt, making it versatile for different types of floors. The automatic spin mechanism effectively scrubs and cleans a variety of surfaces, including bathrooms and kitchens, leaving floors spotless with minimal effort. Equipped with a powerful electric brush for thorough dirt removal, ensuring a deep clean and pristine finish on your floors and bathroom surfaces. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Momus Maker. Can be used to make dumpling skins or wrap dumpling skins, very practical. This Momo maker can be done at the touch of a button. With this Gujia maker machine, easy for you to make beautiful wavy shaped dumplings in a short period. Even if you are a beginner. The Momus maker is made of PP material. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Popcorn Maker. Delivers fresh, hot popcorn in just minutes, making it perfect for parties, movie nights, or quick snacks at home. The machine uses hot oil to ensure each kernel is evenly popped, providing delicious, crunchy popcorn with rich flavor. Designed with a non-stick surface, the popcorn maker is easy to clean, preventing kernels from sticking and reducing cleanup time. The spacious lid can be flipped over and used as a convenient serving bowl, allowing you to pop and serve in one step. Its nesting design allows for compact storage, making it easy to store in small kitchens without taking up much space. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Electrac Spice Grinder. Features a high-performance 300W copper motor that delivers fast, consistent, and efficient grinding every day, from whole cumin and black pepper to coffee beans, seeds, and rock salt, designed for real daily use, not just occasional grinding. Freshly grind your everyday masalas, coriander, turmeric, kalonji or brew-ready coffee grounds in one compact appliance, handles all dry ingredients with ease. 300 ml detachable stainless steel jar separates easily for quick hand washing, keeping your grinder hygienic and ready for the next use. Engineered with an activation lathe secure lock mechanism and jar lathe to make the grinding spill-proof and secure grinding. Equipped with high-precision 2-leaf stainless steel blades that efficiently grind spices, coffee beans, dry nuts, and more with consistent results. Product link is given in the 24th link.